Fothergills have everything you need to get you growing, so let's get started. Growing from seed is really rewarding and so simple with these propagation favorites. The pots are plantable. All you do is take off the outer cardboard and grab some good quality compost. Fothergill's enriched seed compost is excellent. It helps you establish strong roots for your plants. Fill your pots to about 3/4 full, gently pat down and make a small hole in the middle for your seed to be placed. That's the messy bit done. Pop your chosen seeds into the holes you've made. Whatever you're growing, try to follow the packet instructions. Lightly cover your seeds with fresh compost and water well. Let the water drain for a few minutes and place the pots onto a tray. Top tip, it's helpful to write down what you've planted on a lolly stick or similar and pop it into the side of your pot so you can remember what it is. Place in a warm spot with good natural light, but avoid radiators and full sun. Water as needed, check the compost doesn't dry out, and enjoy watching your seeds grow into seedlings. Once you see at least a second pair of leaves have sprouted, they're ready to be moved into a larger pot or planted directly into the ground. Simply dig a hole and bury the entire pot so the top is just below the surface of the soil with your seedling inside. Water generously and regularly. The root of your plant will grow through the size of the pot and the pot will break down naturally. So clever and so simple. Keep caring for your plant and enjoy the rewards of your labor. So plant with ease and get growing from seed today with Fothergills.